guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, please do not make it your last. Well, I believe from the title of the video you know why I'm here. I am here because HerGivenHair sent me this beautiful hair. This is actually the first time I will not even call it an install, but this is the first time I'll be using a wig like this, and that is why I have my hair like this in a ponytail, because this particular wig is a half wig and we're going to explore. So let's get straight into how the wig was sent. The packaging is really good. Oh, we have another box. So this is the box. This is how the wig came. It has their socials written here as well. Let's get straight into opening the box. HerGivenHair, be yourself, be given. Oh, has like a product instruction book. I think ways to style the wig and different types of wigs basically. Yeah, which is very nice, coming very handy. This one, then the wig. This brand, luxury speaking. This is the wig, and a dust bag for the wig. So this wig is a 20 inches Kinky blowout 3-in-1 half wig. See, it is not a complete wig, it is a half wig, and it can serve for different functions. You can use it for your ponytail, leave out, half up, half down, bun, anything. That is why it is called the 3-in-1 half wig. This is their Velcro comb. We have the drawstring. This drawstring will help with ponytail and different styles. So I haven't you guys know that I've not done such a review before. I've not done a review of such a wig before, and I am nervous. I'm excited because I would like to know what it will look like on me. The essence of this wig being blowout is because it's supposed to match my hair texture. My hair is not natural. I have relaxed my hair already, so they had to send me the blowout of the kinky texture so it will match my natural hair, and the color is a natural color, 20 inches. So let's try the first style. So I'm going to try to hook the Velcro comb into my hair. Okay, do you see how easy it is? Because this wig is actually very easy to use. I'm trying to pull the drawstring.
I don't even know I am here. You've been so distant lately, taking your time, losing my mind. Yeah, do I even care anymore? Taking my love for granted, thinking about us turning to dust. You said that I already know.
Did you see how easy it was for me to do this? All you need to do is put your hair in a ponytail style like this. You use the Velcro comb on your hair and you draw your drawstring, and that's it. Very easy. One reason I really like this wig is the fact that it is very easy to install. I wouldn't even call it installable, very easy to use. You don't need glue, you don't need a spray, you don't need anything. You just need your natural hair and you're out in minutes. Nothing too serious. And look at this. It looks so pretty. So let's go to the next style.
Better when we're alone. I don't know what to say. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out. I wonder what will happen to us. Yeah, will we be friends or strangers? Feeling left out, losing our time. I miss how you make me laugh, how you make me lose my mind. You make my life every day. You said that I already know we're better when we're alone. I don't know what to say. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out. I don't wanna give it up tonight. I don't wanna give my life to someone else. Go ruin my night. I don't wanna give it up tonight. I don't wanna give my life to someone else. Go ruin my night. Go ruin my night. Go ruin my night. Thinking about what I would say. Getting better day by day. Same apartment, different place. Will I ever be the same? You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me. I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out. I don't wanna give it up tonight. I don't wanna give my life to someone else. Go ruin my night. I don't wanna give it up tonight. I don't wanna give my life to someone else. Go ruin my night.
4 in the morning, you got me up, all 'cause you need to talk. To 4 in the evening, wanna break up, say that you've had enough. I'm tired of talking, again and again, argue about everything. You are my darling, let's kiss and make up, I know you wanna touch. You call me every night, call me every day, I just wanna get you alone now. Trust me when I say, we gon' be okay, we just gotta boom bada boom ba. I don't wanna fight, you know that I'm right. Baby, let me talk to your body. We gon' be okay, hear me when I say, if you need me, I'm gonna be by your side. If you want me, I'm gonna be there, alright. If you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right, treat you the right way. If you come me, I'm gonna pick.
Okay guys, we have come to the end of the video. Yes, we have. Thank you so much for watching. And like I said earlier, this is the first time I am trying a half wig, and I must say the wig is really versatile and it's easy to install. Why do I keep saying install? It's easy to wear. If you want to run errands, if you can switch it up like how you want it to look. You want to go for weddings, to church, birthday party, dinner, you can style this half wig any way you want. It is extremely versatile, and these are just the few looks that I could do with this wig. So tell me below, which style is your favorite, which style suits me best. And as always, I'll be leaving the link to this hair and their other wigs in my description box, so do well to check that description box. And I'll also have a coupon discount sales. If you use my coupon, you will get a discount when you purchase this week, or everything will be in the description box. So tell me, do we like the style? Because like I said, It is new. I'm trying new things and I'm embracing this moment, this new face. So tell me, I'll be checking the comment section, so please comment and also say thank you to HerGivenHair. They sent this wig, they sponsored this video, and I would also say the texture of this wig is amazing. If you're scared that maybe this is not how your texture of your own hair is, they have different textures for different hair types, so do well to check their page. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and please do not leave this video without clicking the like button or the subscription button or the share button. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye guys.
If you tell me I'm gonna meet you alone, if you're on me, I'm gonna treat you the right way.